Strolling in the night. Ang dalawang gwapo kong anak. This is Justin, my youngest son. And this is my eldest son, Joshua. Good man.
Go to the light. Come here.
Okay. Yan yung restaurant kung saan kami kumain. It's a lovely restaurant overviewing the seaside. Josh and Justin. Hey guys. Hey guys. Patatapos lang po namin kumain, so nag-i-stroll lang po kami. Para ito sa vlog ni Irish 81. Irish 18 pala. Irish 18 vlog. Uy.
Actually a nice shot. The lighting's nice. Which one? The lighting's actually pretty
Ayan, si Irish 18.
nice. I'll show you, yeah. I'll show you, yeah.
Wait, she can't see my face. Can you see my face? Can you see my face?
Yeah, obviously.
Pa, we'll go there.
Wala ka nang pupuntahan doon.
Only the
No,
light.
there is.
Sarado na.
Hindi, gusto ko
Doon sana
lang.
maganda kanina umaga, oh. Doon, oh. Kaya tayo doon.
Punta tayo maaga bukas. Yes? Huh? Okay. There's a car coming. What do you mean?
You have to get out of the way.
Ah, okay. Just 1 second. Yan yung aming car. This is our car.
Let me see my story. Let me see my story. Wait. I want to hear it.
Oh, it's nice there. Just stand up there.
I want to hear it.
May, I'm going to the airport.
Ooh. It's so nice. Pa, just 2 minutes. I'll just go around that area. Yeah. Pasyal ko po kayo. Anak ko si Mr. Isguera. Nagda-drive na. Ayun po ang mga yate. Ayun. Dito po sa Dunleary at night time. Where are they going? Kaya lang sarado na. Ayan yung mga yate. Sasakay na po ako sa aming sasakyan. Open it. Thank you. Ayan po. Ang aking driver. Ang gwapo kong asawa.
Pangit. Pangit daw. Cute lang.
Hindi kita.
Okay,
Okay,
mga
guys.
ka-Iris. Tara, drive tayo.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, pagkama na.
Bye.